you. I thank the Honorable Minister for Legislative Affairs also, sir, for replying. Sir, only reason is that complete details I am saying, sir, is that we will get the district-wise detail as to where, how many SCs are there, STs are there, BCs are there. That is why I was just requesting, sir. And you know, everything, all the subcaste also will come in that. So that is the reason why I was mentioning that it will be helpful for everybody, sir. Sir, and also, sir, going further ahead, sir, I would not go into the details, sir. I'll just want to say that earlier initiating my speech, I had mentioned that BCs के साथ नाइंसाफी हुई और हर किसी ने नाइंसाफी की और कभी भी BCs को उनका हक नहीं दिया गया. सर, मैं जब कह रहा हूं तो शायद लोग इस बात को नहीं मानेंगे, बट सर आई हैव द डिटेल ऑफ BC वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट बजट, सर, from the year 2014 and 15 to the year 22-23, sir. तो ये मेरे पास 8 साल का डेटा है, सर. और 8 साल के डेटा में, सर, तेलंगाना BC कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना मोस्ट बैकवर्ड डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना वॉशरमैन कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ धोबी घाट्स, तेलंगाना नई ब्राह्मण कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना तौरी टैपर्स कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना वेदेरा कॉप्स सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना सगरा उपरा कॉप फेडरेशन, सर, तेलंगाना वाल्मीकि, सर, तेलंगाना किशन बलीजा पोशाला कॉप, सर, एंड तेलंगाना Bhattaraja Corp, sir, and Telangana Kumari Shali Vahana Corp, sir, and Telangana Madira Finance Corporation Limited, Telangana Vishwa Brahmin Cooperative Society, sir. Sir, in this total 8 years, sir, the allocation which was made, was 6,607.48 crores, sir. 6,607.48. But the real expenditure, the BRS government was there in power, sir. The real expenditure out of 6,607.48, sir, it is so shameful, I would say, sir. It was only 417.57, sir. That is 6.32%, sir. 6.32. And this is not my statement, sir. This is the government of Telangana, sir, backward class welfare department, sir. All the details every year. It is not my statement, sir. And again, this was supported when in the Public Accounts Committee I was heading as the chairman, sir. My learned friend was also a member there. Sir, that time also they gave the details, sir. BCs के साथ कितना नाइंसाफी हुई, सर. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आज अगर हम इंसाफ के लिए आवाज उठा रहे हैं BCs के लिए, तो हमको सिर्फ ये नहीं कहना है कि इतना परसेंटेज है, इतने BCs है, इतना है. I would say, sir, we should bring in a legislation, sir, which could mandate that the amount which is allocated in the budget at the end of the year, if it is not spent, it should be carried forward. So that is very important, sir, like a sub-plan. Like we have sub-plan, कांग्रेस के दौर में SC STs के लिए सब प्लान में मंजूरी दिए थे, BCs को भी